tell you guys about Jackie sir. He's the only man. We used to bring our own dabbas from house, and we used to sit.
He told us about getting doklas and feeding you all and sleeping.
Yeah, but how can you get doklas to eat food in lunchtime? That is snacks.
And meetha, and only meetha.
And then farsan and fafda.
For lunch.
दादा खाने में आदमी दाल चावल लाता है राजमा
दाल चावल तो लाता था मैं used to get dal. Obviously I get my things, not little things. That was for snacks at 4 o'clock, but I used to open it then.
We used to have it at 1:30.
बस लाके रखता था ना वो बाद में खाने के लिए, पर खोलना पड़ता था.
He also started
without tiffin. You guys used to come with tiffin. I was empty with my mouth.
He said he used to come with a 6-pack.
No, so he started a 6-pack dabba, but हम लोग 4 डब्बे दिन में खाते थे. Sir 4 डब्बे lunch में खुलते थे. I said, sir, it's every day.
And his 6-packs, his popcorns, everybody used to eat. Makeup guys, everybody was eating.
I had a 6-pack also because I wanted to be, but I couldn't eat it.
You only ate the dessert. Only.
Yeah, man.
For lunch.
We're solid fun, these chaps. I'm telling you, they're crazy. This guy took his bananas.
And Dada used to just message people
from his phone, which I'm sure you
Oh yeah, that is one of the things. Be very.
No, I know you're not very
He stopped roaming around the ring only.
Take your
He said, I'm not roaming around in the ring.
From my phone, who the hell did you send? I love you and all that, and those guys were wondering what's wrong with him.
Who did you send it?
I don't know, 3-4 people he said, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I think Honey Singh को भेजा था.
Yeah, I don't know, not Honey Singh का नंबर नहीं कोई. There were some guys and then some girls also. You just have to leave the phone 8 seconds. Gaya, band बज गया. Oh God, he's crazy man, he's dicey. At the same time, I have an expression that he is really sad.
Well, sir managed to cheat me. First, we were doing action. He gave me a guard to wear. Okay, so we were bare chested. And he says, "Ye pehle because we are kicking and punching." So I said, "Okay." Halfway through that action, when he says cut himself, he has pretended to take out another guard. So I have seen कि मेरी पैंट से कैसे निकाला, and basically it was the other one. So it took me that 5 seconds, and I thought, when did he put his hand inside my shorts and take out my guard? But it was the exact same looking different one. So I didn't realize that this is what he's all about. In an action sequence where both are crying and bloody.
Suddenly इन लोग क्वेश्चन ऐसा पूछ रहे हैं, ब्रदर्स तो भूल जाओ.
Sister को
सिस्टर्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं लोग.
इक्वालिटी ना.
Equality. Okay. सोचो दादा. अरे आपको भी पूछा, मतलब क्या मैंने थोड़ी जवाब दिया.
मोनिका बेलुची है. रोज के कैनेडा में यार.
Who? Tina. Okay.
Twinkle, you're being so sweet.
Maybe that's a good reference. I think only in performance, since I'm an actor. I think the actor in the West, I'm a big fan of is Scarlett Johansson, and she emulates both, like being bubbly and sexy at the same time. I think she's a great combination of both. So it'll be interesting. It's called Lovers, and you were fighting in the ring.
No.
ऐसा half
Which
naked?
female you want to be cast? She's asking.
As lovers, there's so
No,
many.
not female, male.
Oh, why lovers? Why male?
Why don't they lovers?
So don't just change your question now.
I didn't
Stick
say
to
you.
one.
You added to that question. Of
So what?
But even lovers, you will be very apt. Or both of us. Or 3 of us rather.
Yeah, the kind of love that we had.
Yeah.
Bishop. We had a lot of love for each other. Love, hate.
It is. It is that.
That's a fact.
हाँ वही सोच रहा हूँ मैं. I have to visualize. Wrestling or boxing or MMA? I think we should stick to MMA.
Okay.
I think MMA. Sonakshi and Jacqueline.
Yeah, I was actually saying Deepika and Jacqueline. I feel because they're both extremely fit and athletic. I know Deepika comes from a background of playing sports, and Jacqueline comes from a background of doing gymnastics. They would be physically capable of going through the action of it, and it'll be a perfect match. I would pay to watch that.
I think Sonakshi, because she is learning kickboxing for her new movie, Akira, for Murgadosa.
She also did a little bit in Holiday, no?
Yeah, no.
It was just acting.
Oh yeah, just hardly one time.
Yeah.
So, but she has done a good job in this year.
Yeah.
I met her instructor and all. She's been practicing, and also Jacqueline because she's very sporty, as I said. So I think they both.
Lee? And what about?
He answered.
He answered. You are not listening. Jackie.
I have one
Sir,
last question.
Priyanka, Jacqueline.